Hey everyone, I'm Josh, a first-year medical student from Melbourne. 6 years ago, to this very week, I was a happy, ignorant, and quiet 12-year-old boy in Year 7 who decided to create a YouTube channel called Random Videos. I'm happy to announce that over the next few weeks, I'll be posting some new random videos to test the waters and see if I have any YouTube potential left in my tank. I acknowledge that I haven't posted anything serious for 3 years, and I do understand if you decide to unsubscribe. But I do hope that you'll watch till the end of this video, where I do share some serious thoughts about this whole YouTube thing, before making up your mind. I started this channel for fun all the way back in Year 7, in 2015, when I made a video on the basic functions of trigonometry narrated by the adorable voice of my 8-year-old sister.
Welcome to the video of the basic functions of trigonometry part 1, sine, cosine, tangent. So first, what is trigonometry?
I used the app Explain Everything and iMovie on my beloved iPad 3, which I had won at a maths competition in Year 4. Some of you viewers who knew me in both primary school, high school, and perhaps even university know the attachment I have to my iPad. My first high viewing video was a video I made on sand dunes, which has around 10k views now. In 2015, we had covered sand dunes in Year 7 geography, taught by the legendary Mr. Riley.
Are ridges of sand which are perpendicular to the wind direction.
I also featured my voice in a history lesson on Qin Shi Huang, which we had also covered in Year 7 history.
Was Qin Shi Huang a hero or a tyrant?
Some of my best memories from high school come from those classes in Year 7. From the sand dunes video, I learnt a couple of things. That putting a heap of effort into making a perfect video won't necessarily garner views. People are interested in the most random of things. This was realized again when I created a printer installation video in Year 9, 2 years after my first trigonometry video. Again, it was extremely low budget, a random video which I had no idea would become my most viewed original video today, but now it stands at 300k views. Clearly, many viewers had similar troubles in installing the driver for an antiquated HP printer. In Year 9, I was also obsessed with AFL, and I posted a reaction video once of the team I barracked for, Sydney, defeating Essendon with a goal after the siren. That's a sneak peek, and the video is now private because I cringe at it too much. But that snippet is for those of you who enjoyed watching that video at that time and in the 2 years after that, during which it was still public. Throughout all these years, I favoured anonymity. Even in that video, I never face the camera. I've never wanted to become identified in real life. I do kind of prefer being in the background, but after 3 years of no videos, my ATAR reaction video at the end of 2020, graduating during the COVID-19 pandemic, changed that. It's still viewable on my channel and has gained a bit of traction over the past. Come on, let's go. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you guys some of my trivial pursuits. They're going to be truly low production quality, but high in random content value and truly original. I'll be covering perhaps the story of my iPad, or maybe some weird keyboard layout mashups I use, perhaps some videos on how to pass music theory, perhaps some VCE and study advice, perhaps some tributes to my favourite kids' TV shows, or maybe some political commentary, or maybe a video of me reacting to something, if I feel like it. I had thought about doing a channel makeover, but I decided against it. I asked myself, why did I want to post videos? And I think I can answer that now. I want to make videos because I really enjoy sharing some of my random thoughts, ideas, and pursuits with you all. Whether they're useful ideas or completely irrelevant to your lives, I believe that keeping ideas cooped up in one's mind does more harm than good. The idea may open up many opportunities, it may not, it may be extremely silly, but in the end, at least it's not taking up brain space. It's now 1:49 August the 26th, 1:49 a.m. Melbourne has been in lockdown for a couple of weeks. I'm now a first-year university student at Monash studying medicine, and I should be watching lectures on the anatomy of the lower limb. But this has been on my mind for a few years, so I know that I needed to do something about it. I hope you enjoy the videos over the next few weeks. Who knows, it might be the start of something new, but after these many years of saying I would post videos that I had already planned, but failing to do so, I knew I couldn't stick to the status quo. I don't want to regret, decades later, that I didn't at least try. Finally, I'd be open to any suggestions, so feel free to message or comment any thoughts you have on my videos and what I should post. And please do consider subscribing. But if you are unsubscribing, I just wanted to say that I have thoroughly enjoyed sharing my educational, fun and random videos with you over the past 6 years.